Hi everyone, I am Sri. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I am making a simple drink but which is very refreshing. So this is called mint lemonade. For this I have taken fresh mint leaves and two types of lemon. So let's start the video and check out. So first of all I have taken a mixing bowl. Now I am putting all the mint leaves into the jar. So now I am squeeze out the lemon into it. You can add lemon juice according to your quantity of your mint leaves. So now I am adding sugar. I am adding 4 spoons of sugar. You can add it as your choice. Black salt, little bit of, and jaljeera powder. Now adding this lemon little bit. You can skip it. I am just adding it for its smell. At last pour water into it. Now I am gonna mix it. So now I am gonna strain it into a glass. Now adding water into it. Add little bit of jaljeera powder. This is optional. You can add mix it. You can add ice cubes into it. I am not adding any ice cube. Then 1 to 2 mint leaves for garnishing. Half lemon into it. And lemon for garnishing. So the beautiful refreshing mint lemonade is ready.